Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to update Wi-Fi driver in Windows 10 or 11. So right click on Start menu, open Settings. Once open, click on Windows Update. Then click on Advanced Options. Then click on Optional Updates. Now click on this option. It will show all the optional updates. Maybe your Wi-Fi driver will show here. If it is showing, then just select that. And these updates are also important, so you can update this update also if it is available. So if it is pending, it will show here, you can download it. One more option we have. So just right click on Start menu again. Now open Device Manager. Once open, from here you can update the driver. So this is our Wi-Fi driver, so just right click on it. It is showing all other driver also. So right click and click on update. Here we have two options, so select first option, it will download the driver online. And if you select the second option, if you have the driver downloaded on your machine, laptop or desktop, you can browse it and install it. So I already have the driver, so not required. So let's move to third method. Right click on Start menu, open Device Manager, and from here you just need to note down the Wi-Fi driver name, which one you required, and if it is not updated or if you want to download that, go to particular website of that brand, like HP, Dell, Lenovo, whatever you have, and you can download the driver from there also. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.